Hi everyone. In this video, we develop a JavaFX application that demonstrates the use of menu bar, menu items, separator menu items, and their respective event handling. In order to develop this application, first we create a menu bar that containing file, options, and help menus. The file menu must include open, close, save, and exit menu items with a separator before exit. The open menu items contains opening image icon. That means that open menu item we consider as a image menu item. That means for the menu item we will add image along with the text message. And also for the save menu item we consider as a image menu item. That means along with the text message it contains image icon also. And we create another menu item under file menu, that is exit. When we click on exit menu item, automatically it closes the JavaFX application. After creation of file menu, we will go for creating another menu, that is options menu, which contains colors and priority as submenus with respect to separators and reset menu item. Color menu again contains the red, green, blue as submenu items, and priority menu which contains the high and low as a submenu items. After completion of options menu creation, we will go for creating help menu that includes above menu item. In order to define the event handling for all these menu items, we are going to define this event handling by using method references. We know that there are three different techniques are available in order to handle events. One is a anonymous inner classes, second one is lambda expressions, and third one is method references. So in this case, for simplifying the event handling for all menu items, we will define by using method references. When a menu item is selected or when menu item is clicked, automatically action event is generated. When any menu item of the JavaFX application which is selected or clicked, a message is displayed on the center of the JavaFX window. That message is created on a label component. Which menu item is clicked, which menu item is selected, that menu item clicked, that message is displayed. Suppose if open menu item is clicked, open menu item clicked. So that is the way message is displayed. And the menu bar and label components are arranged in JavaFX scene using border pane. The border pane which arranges the components on the borders of the JavaFX scene. Next, we will go for implementing the JavaFX application. We will go for hands-on practice of a JavaFX application by opening a new file. Save the file as MenuFX demo.java. Save the file. Next, import the all required packages. Import JavaFX.application. Import JavaFX.stage. Import JavaFX.scene. Import JavaFX.scene.layout. Import JavaFX.scene.control. For importing all menu controls, import JavaFX dot event. For menu items event handling, import JavaFX dot scene dot image. This package is imported for adding images to the JavaFX menu items. Import JavaFX dot geometry for arrangement of the components at the center of the scene. Then import JavaFX dot scene dot input. So these are the various and required packages are imported. Next we'll go for defining the public class. Public class MenuFX demo extends. As usual, every JavaFX application is imported with every JavaFX application is extended with application class. Now we'll go for declaring the references for the components required for this JavaFX application. Image view is required for adding image icons to the menu items. We'll go for declaration of one menu bar. Every JavaFX application, when it is designed with the menu system, it contains only one menu bar. Then we'll go for creating menus that are file menu, options menu, colors menu, priority menu, help menu, and this is the way all menu items are considered: file menu, options menu, colors menu, priority menu, and help menu. Then we'll go for creation of the menu items. We'll go for creating references for menu items. Menu item. Then menu items are open, save, close, exit, red, green, blue, high, low, reset, and about. These are the different menu items are declared. Then we go for declaring the separator menu item SM. Then we declare border pane BP. Then declare the scene variable. So now in this way we declared all required components and their references. Now we go for defining the init method. Here we create all declared components objects. Create a response label, new label. We'll take that message is menu demo. Then take MB is equal to new menu bar. We are creating a menu bar object. Then create file menu. File menu is equal to new menu. So for file menu we will add the mnemonic. So that means this file menu also open with Alt key also. When we are pressing Alt F4, the file menu is open. So here we are setting the file menu name with underscore. Then we will set the mnemonic for the file menu. File menu object dot. For setting mnemonic, we call the method set mnemonic parsing method. Mnemonic parsing of true. Mnemonic parsing. We are setting mnemonic parsing for the file menu. Next, we create the image view object for adding images to open and save. So for that we are going for creating image view object. So directly I am creating image as the argument of the image view. New image images slash open dot png. So here I am using png images. Then the size is 30 comma 30 true comma true 30 comma 30 specify the width and height of the image while it is displayed on the image view, and true comma true refers the image enhancement properties preserve ratio and smooth. In this way image view is created. Next we'll go for creating open menu item as a image menu item. We'll declare the menu item name as open and we'll add the image. So next we'll go for creating a close menu item. Close is equal to new menu item close. Then we'll go for creating save menu item. So before going to creation of save menu item also will create as a image view menu item, image view, new image of. So for that we will take one more image view object iv1. iv1 is the new image of images. In the images folder I already saved the png images, save png image as well as open png image. 30 comma 30 true comma true. So this is the way iv1 is created. So next save is equal to a new menu item, save and corresponding image view object. So this is the way file. Under the file we are going for create open, close and save. Next we will create a separator menu item. sm is equal to new separator menu item. Then we'll go for creating the exit menu item. Exit. So this is the way all menu items are created. We'll mention with capital letters. Then we set the accelerator for menu items. That means menu items are controlled through the or accessed through control plus keys also. So we are setting accelerator key combination dot calling of key combination method. From key combination class we are calling key combination method as argument we'll call the shortcut plus O. By pressing Control plus O, automatically open menu item is selected. So in the same way we set the accelerator for close, save and exit. We'll set for close plus C, save, yes, exit plus E. So this is the way we created menu items, and next we will go for creating one more menu, that is pop-up menu, that is context menu CM is equal to new context menu. Let us declare the context menu variable in the declaration of all references where they are declared. Context menu CM, then go for creating context menu. Okay, for the context menu also same menu items I added: open, close, save, exit. Okay, so now I set the context menu for response label. Set context menu CM. So this is the way we are creating pop-up menu for the response label. Now we'll add the open, close, save and exit along with the separator menu item for the file menu. So in order to add for file menu, we'll get the observable list of the file menu dot get items. This will return the observable list of the file menu. Then we'll call add all, open, close, save, separator menu item SM, then exit. After that, we'll go for creating the file menu. Now file menu is completed. We'll go for creating this file menu for the menu bar. So in order to add file menu to the menu bar, we'll get the observable list of the menu bar. To get observable list of the menu bar, on the menu bar object, call the get menus method. Get menus dot mb.getMenus returns the observable list of the menu bar. On that we'll call the add method on that observable list file menu. Then now file menu is added to menu bar also. Now we go for creation of the options menu. Options menu is declared here. That options menu we are creating now. Options menu is equal to new menu options. So options menu contains the colors menu and options menu contains colors menu and priority menu. Now we go for creation of the colors menu. Colors menu is equal to new menu colors. Then we'll go for creation of the under colors. We'll create the red, green, blue. Next under the priority menu, we'll create the high and low. First we'll add for the colors menu. Red is equal to new menu item red. Next green is equal to, we'll go for adding green. Then blue is equal to, we'll go for adding blue. So this is the way red, green, blue are created. Now we will add red, green and blue to the colors menu along with separator menu item. So get the observable list of the colors menu dot get item. This will return the observable list of the colors menu. Add all red, green, separator menu item SP, separator menu item SM. So here we are using the separator menu item which is already created in line number 31. Separator menu item SM comma blue. So this is the way we created colors menu. Now we'll go for creation of the priority menu. Priority menu is equal to new priority menu. We'll go for creation of the priority menu. Priority menu is equal to new menu. Name of the menu as priority. Priority menu. Then to the priority menu we'll add the high and low menu items. First we'll go for creating high menu item, after then low menu item. High is equal to new menu item high. Next we'll go for creating low menu item. Low is equal to new menu item low. So this is the way high and low menu items are created. These high and low menu items which are added to priority menu. Priority menu dot get items. Get the observable list of the priority menu. Get items dot add all high comma low. Then add this colors menu and priority menu to the observable list of the options menu. Let us call options menu dot get items. This will return the observable list of the options menu. Add all of low. Add all of priority menu item priority menu and colors menu item colors menu. So this is the way we add options menu comma priority menu. So this is the way two menus, options menu and priority menu are added to colors menu. Colors menu and priority menu added to the options menu. So now we'll create another menu item reset. Reset is equal to new menu item, reset. Now options menu which is added to the options menu bar. Before adding options menu to the options menu bar, we will add reset to the options menu. Options menu dot get items, add reset. So next we will go for adding options menu to the options menu. Let us go for next we go for adding options menu to the menu bar. MB dot get menus which returns the observable list of menu bar. MB dot get menus, add options menu. So still now we are created file menu and options menu. Now we go for creation of the help menu. Help menu is equal to new menu help. We'll create a menu item about is equal to new menu item about. Then add about to the help menu by getting observable list of the help menu. Help menu dot get items dot add about. Then get the add the help menu to the menu bar. MB dot get menus, add help menu. Then so now the menu bar is added with the file menu, options menu and help menu. So now we add this menu bar to the border pane. So first we go for creation of the border pane. BP is equal to new border pane. Then set the menu bar to the top of the border pane. BP dot set top MB. So the set top method is used from the border pane in order to add menu bar at the top. Next we add the label at the center of the JavaFX application. For that we'll call set center method to add border pane to add response label at the center. So in this way we completed menu bar creation and adding menus to the menu bar, adding menu items to the menus, then arranging all that components from the border pane. Now we'll go for the start method. Define the start method. Here we are going to handle event handling with anonymous inner classes and method references First we define with anonymous inner classes. New event handler. Action event. We define the event handling method public void init. Let us define the public void handle action event. Get the name of the menu item which is clicked, string name is equal to menu item dot menu item AE dot on the action event object action event AE dot get target. The get target method returns the event source which the get target method returns the event source. The event is happened through which component of the JavaFX. Get target dot get text. So after finding event source, from that event source it finds the name of the event source. The get text method returns the name of the event source. Then if the name equals to exit, directly up the application is exited. Platform dot exit. Then if the name is not exit on all other different cases, we'll go for directly displaying on the response label set text name plus selected or clicked. Then close the handle method, close the handle method and close the event handler, close the handle method, close the handle method and close the event handler and event handler object create statement with a semicolon. So this is the way with anonymous inner class event is defined, event handling is defined. So this event handling is applied for all menu items. So now we go for defining event handling for all menu items. Go for defining event handling for the open menu item, set an action, save menu item, event handler, ME handler. So in the same way, we'll define event handling for all menu items. I will go for copy paste manner. So let us take a open, close, save, then exit, red, green, blue, high, low, reset, about. So this is the way for all menu items we created a event registration. When open dot set an action on respect to MB handler, when we are calling, automatically that event handling anonymous inner class method is executed, handle method is executed, and the button clicked as open, that message is displayed on the response label. And in the same way for all menu items also. Now we go for creation of the scene object. S is equal to new scene, BP comma 300 comma 300. Then you go with st.setTitle, demonstrate menus. Then we go for setting the scene to the stage, st.setScene, s, then st.show method. Finally close the start method and define the main method, public static void main string args, call the launch method. Calling of launch method is completely optional. So this is the way we define the event handling for the all menu items, and creation of menus, menu items, and adding menus to the menu bar. Okay. So now we'll go for saving the program and we check the errors. JavaC MenuFX demo .java. So we got error at the response label. Line number 22, response is equal to missing. We save this and again go for compiling the program. At exit also, adding of exit here itself. We save the program and compile the program. So we got 39 errors. We rectify each and every one. Set accelerate is set. First letter is lowercase letter. set accelerator, then 4 errors, response 38, response, then at file menu and exit. Here not we are calling exit method, that is exit menu item, and we got 2 errors. At file menu, help menu, we check whether file menu and help menu are exit or not. File menu is exit, exists, and help menu. File menu available. Oh, line number 3957. 39. Just it is the object file menu dot and help menu dot. That's enough. Okay. So we are saving the program and we are going for compiling the program. So program is successfully compiled and we go for execution. Now we compile again. We go for running the program Java space MenuFX demo. Okay. So all menus. What are the menus are created? All menus that are added for the file open, close, save, exit, and for the options colors. For the colors again red, green, blue. For priority high and low, and for options reset menu item. For help about. For the file open and save, image icons are also added. Open, close, save, and exit. For the colors also. Here the separator menu item also added. Now we click on open, open selected, close, close selected, save, save selected. This is a message displayed for the options. When we click on red, red selected message displayed at the center. For the priority menu, high selected is displayed. For the colors, blue selected is displayed. For the help, how about it displayed. And in the same way, we go for checking the Alt plus F. Okay. From the keyboard, I am pressing Alt plus F. File menu is selected. Then this is the way we are checking mnemonics also. We are checking mnemonics also. Next, we go for checking open menu item, close menu item, save menu item, which are controlled or accessed with control plus 4 and their specific keys are not. I would like to check with control plus 4. I select file control plus. Accelerators are not working. We check again. Control plus 4. Okay, we further investigate what happens in the execution of the program. Now we check when we click on exit, automatically JavaFX application is closed. I click on exit, the application is closed. So now we run the program again. I would like to press Control more. Okay, open selected directly, that message displayed. I would like to click on Control S. Save selected menu item is selected, that is displayed. I select Control plus C, close selected message displayed. I select Control E, the JavaFX application completely closed. the demonstrated menu application completely closed, just it is closed. So that means now I controlled from the which menu items is I am controlled from the accelerators from open, close, exit. Now I click with open, open is selected, close, close is selected, save, save is selected, then options, red, green, low, high. So all are selected about. Now on the label we added context menu. We check that whether context menu is added or not. I am selecting about, I am selecting the label, response label. On the response label I am clicking mouse right button. So the context menu is created with the open, close, save and exit. That menu is displayed when I am clicking on mouse right button. So this is the way the menu bar, menu item and adding images to the menu items, separator menu item and how to control menus with accelerators and mnemonics we tested through the correspond through the this JavaFX application, and now we go for demonstrating the event handling in this JavaFX application through the method references. So earlier we demonstrated through the anonymous inner class. Now let us go for defining event handling with method references. In previous demonstration we defined event handling for all menu items with anonymous inner class. So now we consider the event handling of the open menu item with method references. So for defining method references, we define a private method reference method, that is private void handle button click method. So this is the method reference method we are calling handle button click action event AE. Then on the corresponding response label we are going with response dot set text open menu item selected, then closing of the handle button click method. Then on the open menu item, after defining this method reference method, this method reference method will call for the open this handle button click. So for the open menu item, we are defining the event handling through the method reference. So event registration happened through set and action method. Instead of calling the event handler which is created through the anonymous inner class execution and its execution, instead of ME handler, I am separately handling this event handling with defining method reference method, that is handle button click method. That handle button click method reference we are calling here. So now we go for testing the application again. I will again compile the program. We got errors. We check that handle button click. where we define that method. Oh, here double quotes additional we added. Okay, program is successfully compiled. Now we compile the program again. We run the program. So now the program is successfully executed. The open menu item is executed through method reference. Open menu item event handling is handled through method reference. So open menu item. So for all other remaining close selected, save selected, likewise it displayed. For differentiating that open and all other remaining menu items, for remaining we call menu item selected message, but for open additionally we added code with method reference open menu item selected. Open menu item selected. So this is the way we differentiated. So now we understood how to handle event handling, action event handling here with the anonymous inner classes and method references. So instead of defining this anonymous inner class also, we'll go with the definition of lambda expression AE like this. Now we are handling event handling with the lambda expression also. We check out braces location, close, this close. Now we remove this one. So earlier we presented event handling with anonymous inner class. Now we presented with method references for the open menu item. Now except the open remaining menu items event handling with the lambda expressions. We compile the program again. Program is successfully compiled and we are running the application. Open, close, colors, low, open. So likewise. So that means in the same program we demonstrated using anonymous inner classes, method references and lambda expression. So this is the way we demonstrated the menu application. So in that way we create the menu for the JavaFX application. So in this program we demonstrated menu, menu bar, menu item, adding images to the menu items, creation of the pop-up menu and event handling with the anonymous inner classes, lambda expressions and method references. Thank you for watching this video.